Hello everyone. Welcome to English Pulse once again. I'm very excited to see the number of subscribers on the channel. Thank you very much. In a short time, it was a very short time span. So I've got a lot of followers, lot of comments. I'm very immersed in your love and the kind of attention I'm getting. Thank you so much. So previous video we see how much of content you are all expecting from us. So 90 days, what are the tips? 20 tips you're following. So hope to maintain that consistency. We have come back. So think this as day one for your practice of the sentences. So without further ado, we are going straightly into practice of the sentences. Yes. While speaking English, first and foremost, you are very clear with the alphabets. Okay? And then comes the phonics. How you pronounce the words when the alphabets of different sounds are arranged together. So I will not take you too much into the intricacies, too much of the principles, too much of the rules there. We'll just start conversing and then later integrate what is to be told in between, what are the rules. If I am making mistakes anywhere, do make a mark or do comment there or do make a remark so that even I'll be learning with you. Yeah, fine. Let's come up with the journey of learning English with me, Niru. So you can call me Niru. I'm in Nirupama Aradhya. You can call me Niru. So it's a nice time talking to you guys. So let's not make a delay. And once again, I kindly request you, once you start watching my video, kindly watch it until the end. Don't leave the video just in between. It makes me feel left often. Yeah. So let's spark the journey. So first sentence. Yeah, I'm getting late. I am getting late. Okay. When do you use this sentence? If you're running late, out of time, or if you're in a very great hurry. I'm late. This sentence should click. It should strike in your head when you're getting late. So if you're about to miss something like your class or your meeting or your bus or your cab, or you miss something there, or you're running late, you have to take errands. So I'm getting late for class. Let's go. Okay? When you're getting late, use this sentence. Yeah, in this busy world, we have this sentence. Next, what's going on here? No, it's a teacher's dialogue. What is happening right now? You are using it. What does this mean? What is happening? Just to ask what's happening right now, you ask what's going on here. You walk into a situation and you want to know what's happening there in that scenario. So you ask, there's a crowd outside. What's going on here? Is it? That's how you ask. Then, if what would be the next sentence? Now we are coming to the third sentence. I didn't get you. How do you ask it? I didn't get you. If you don't understand, if you're talking, you have a conversation. I didn't get you. A person who is talking to you doesn't convey you according to your tone, your ears don't comprehend it. You ask, I didn't get you. Can you repeat? Okay. Next sentence. If a person is speaking really fast, please speak slowly. Yeah? Please speak slowly. You request them to talk slowly. When they're speaking very fast and you get totally confused, I'm learning English. Now, please talk slowly. Okay. Next sentence. Let's grab a coffee. Next sentence is, let's grab a coffee. Yeah? In a casual way. Okay. When you're inviting them in a friendly way. It's been a long day. Let's grab a coffee. Next sentence. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not just kidding for a coffee. That sentence was true. Okay. When your friends ask for a coffee, take them. They'll be really tired. Caffeine is very important. I'm just kidding. I was joking. Don't take it seriously. If you want to convey this, you give a very bad gali to your friend. He got very serious. You called me dummy. You called me fat. You called me a soda. I'm just kidding. Tell them. Okay, it's a nice sentence to tell them. If you make joke or tease someone, you really believe that? I'm just kidding. Okay. Next sentence. I'll be right back. When do you use this? I'll be right back. Briefly, you want to step away from that situation. You have a urgent call from someone. Wait here. I'll be right back. To tell that, you say, I'll be right back. Next sentence is, can you help me with this? Next sentence, can you help me with this? Why, how, when do you ask? When you need assistance for something, you ask this sentence. And when you're asking for a genuine help. This homework is tough. Can you help me with this? This homework is tough. Can you help me with this? Okay, next sentence. That sounds great. Next sentence. That sounds great. When do you listen to this? That's a very good idea. I like it. What does it mean? You agree with the suggestion. Your friend is telling a nice idea. You're planning out a trip. Yeah, they will tell, that sounds great. Let's watch a movie tonight. That sounds great. Yeah. Movie out time is not at all a small time. I tell you, we enjoy it a lot like anything. Next. Last sentence. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. When do you tell it? When you're done, if you want to stop working and you finish a long day of work or study. It's already 10 p.m. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. So practice this 10 sentences today. Okay. Even I am tired after a long weekend. Let's call it a day. So comment one of your favorite sentences which you like me teaching you in this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and watch this video till the end. Meet you until next video.